Hi there. In the previous lectures, we have talked about trigonometric functions, sine, cosine, tan. We have also talked about their inverses, a tan, a sine, a cosine, a cosec, etc. We have also talked about radians and degrees. Okay. In this lecture, we will talk about hyperbolic functions. We actually gonna need them to in in our complex numbers calculation section. So let's move on. By the way, if you do not feel the if you do not feel there is some section you do not like, you may easily skip it. I will strictly make any section standalone. Well, it may be a little bit boring. We may repeat things in each section, but it's just for you to choose between. So, and actually repeating things make you understand them and save them in your memory. Okay. So let's move to MATLAB. Sorry. Again, I really want you to, from one time to time, to actually see these things. For instance, we open preferences. Just there is always a default button. So really you will lose nothing from trying to tweak things here and there. So it will just make you have strong foundation in MATLAB. So please open them from one time to another. There is no any problem. As I told you, there is always a default button that will get things to its initial station. So we by the way, we did not use plots yet. So let's move to hyperbolic. If I want to sine the hyperbolic sine of something, I just type sine h. It is just sine h, and I get it here. If I want the cosine hyperbolic, I add h to the end of cosine, and I type whatever I want to. And that's really applied for the rest of functions and h, cotan h, whatever the number you typed, and that's it. Sec also, cosec, and it's just like that. In this lecture, it is very short, so we may revise or wrapping up the previous lectures. First, we introduce the sine, and we said that it is in radians, so we either make a sine d, and I'm not sure sine d function comes with basic MATLAB subscription, or it is shipped with some toolbox, maybe mapping toolbox or something else. But if it is not available for you, if you just type sine d and it is not available for you, MATLAB will give you a warning message that the specific toolbox is not available. So you either have to buy it, use it as a trial, or trying to find another way to do what you want to do. So cosine, it's all available, it's all the same. So if you want to be, we make it, multiply it by pi and divide it by 100, sorry, 180, and we will get our well-known value, not for 2c, by the way, for 6c 30. We have also talked about symbolic math toolbox. I really love this toolbox of MATLAB. I highly, if I highly suggest you to try it. It is 30 days, not short. You can learn it, and if you are a student, it is in by $100. You can buy it, or you may ask your company or whatever you are working to buy this toolbox if you need it. Okay, never buy something you do not need, you do not want, just because it is good. It does not mean that you have to have it. Okay, in symbolic you really have to differentiate between SYM to this, and if we happen to try it for a variable, it will not work, undefined function or variable. So to get rid of this, we just type sims, and in sims we can actually type as many variables as we want. We can do many things for them. See, plus 2 multiplied by x to the power of z, and this is it. So I really hope you enjoy learning with us. I also hope this course will add to you great value. So be good and see you soon.